guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing some new like strawberry popper thingies. Those like things that you like you drink something with the little poppers that with taste. And this one is strawberry poppers. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so yeah, this is one shot probably, or I'm probably going to close it back together and tape it. Cause yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this knife. Of course, I'm gonna taste test it and give my honest opinion. And wow! Wait, hold on. And then that should be the thumbnail, and then put some glowy effect on it. Okay. And you just Doesn't that look beautiful? What's it even supposed to match with? Mango juice? Sorry. How do I open this without popping it? Okay, so I'm gonna be taste testing this. This is my first time ever tasting it, so I'll get my honest opinion, even if it's bad. Wow. You have to put it carefully on because okay, anyways, yeah, they pop easily. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. Goodbye. I don't know. It tastes good. It's just that you're not supposed to eat it like this. And it's weird just looking at a camera eating it. Because the way it's so silent, I'm just looking at you. Anyways, pretty good. Order it now in the link in this. Actually, I don't think it'll even be in there. Probably not. Like, okay, I don't know. But yeah, just press the link in the description. Press it, guys.